Hi, I'm Midge and I'm here with Mike today. And Mike's going to share some simple tips on AI search that you can put into practice and that will help you to better perform in this new landscape. It's quite a complex area, Mike. So it would be great if you could break it down into some simple language that we can all kind of assimilate and understand what this is all about.
Sure, Mitch, thanks. It is a time of incredible change, and AI has really turned a lot of industries on their head. And so what I plan to do with this video and other videos is to share some simple tips with you to help you to perform better. There's so much going on out there that we really do need to break it down into simple tips, and that's what I'll try to do. So today I would like to start with one of the foundational functions of a website, and that is Robots.txt. And Robots.txt is a simple code that gives instructions for search engine crawlers, robots, and tells them what they're allowed to view and what they're not allowed to view on your website. So this has changed quite significantly with the advent of AI search. A traditional Robots.txt used to be pretty short and would just say to Google and Bing and other search engines, hey, you can access this content, but don't go to our login page or something like that. Now we have to be a little bit more comprehensive. We need to allow a bunch of different AI search bots. We have to basically invite ChatGPT, Perplexity, Firecrawl, Andy Search, and others to access your website pages so that they can start to show them and give citations in their results. So that's the first section. The second section is where you need to stop them using your website for training purposes, as they eat up too much of your website's resources in doing that, and it doesn't bring you any benefit. So there's a second section where you're blocking the training facility. And then there is a third section where you're letting traditional search engines, Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo and others, you're letting them know that, hey, you can visit our website, don't go to our login page, and that's the third major section. Finally, you'll have an XML sitemap, and the XML sitemap is just an updated electronic sitemap that all these different agents use to crawl and find new content on your website. If you're looking for an example of what I'm talking about, you can go to my LinkedIn post, recent one about this, where I map out an example for your developer or for yourself to use. And the other way you can access this is with a new newsletter which we've created called Search Engine Scoop. And you can subscribe to that at whippetdigital.com/subscribe, and just give us your name and email address, and we'll start to send you through tips on a regular basis so that you can improve your performance in AI search. So that's today's tip.
Oh, okay, thank you. Well, even that small insight and those tips you've gave us sounds pretty complicated to me. So I imagine there's quite a lot of work to do to become compliant in this new landscape of AI and traditional search that you've just been talking about. So as Mike said, we're going to be creating a series of small videos that will appear on our Whippet Digital YouTube and Vimeo channels. So you can keep your eye on that. Or as Mike said, subscribe to the Search Engine Scoop newsletter and stay ahead of the curve. So yeah, I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching. See you again with some more tips soon.